Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Trendline Forex here on 12th of August. It's Friday and that means we're gonna have a look at Bitcoin. And if I have to be honest, there's not much that's happening right now with this instrument, and it hasn't moved a lot since the last time we looked at it, which was last Friday, right? So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're putting out videos every other day. We talk about euro dollar, we talk about gold, Bitcoin, and there's also a lot more content coming out that you don't want to miss. Also put in the comment section down below what else you want to see in the next videos and I'll try to make it happen. Now this is the daily time frame. So what we've talked before was that we're essentially waiting for price to come and test this sell area right here that starts from the level of around 27k up to around 28,000. right? So we are currently in a pullback. Price is heading that way, but what we need to pay attention to are those rejection wicks right here, because that shows me that the market lacks strength to the upside, so we may actually see kind of a deeper pullback soon. What am I talking about? Now we've got some wicks right here, all right? We've got some wicks on the next push up, and that third push up right now, again, we have a rejection wick and price actually didn't manage to close above this previous high. All right, so if we drop down to a lower time frame, say for example the 4-hour chart, you can see the same thing here. We have a sharp reversal every time price pushes up. All right, and that last time right here, what we have is those rejection wicks to the upside close below the previous ones, and I'm expecting to see a little bit of a pullback now, and that's exactly what is happening. Okay, so if you are going to be looking for long trades, you've got to be very careful with that, because when price shows you that much rejection, it probably means that it doesn't have enough strength or liquidity to continue higher, and that means it's going to need to gather some liquidity, which is basically some stop loss orders that are going to be below these lows, maybe even below this low all the way down here. All right, so like I said, we could expect kind of a deeper pullback in price. All right, overall, I'm still expecting that we're going to see a move up to around 27k, maybe even slightly above that, but we're currently trading around 24,000, all right, 23,950. So there is some room to the upside that needs to be filled, and I'm not really sure if the market has enough momentum to continue higher and fill that space up here. All right, so that's why I'm saying we could see the market pushing down, coming below those lows right here, then continuing higher, or maybe even start pushing down, coming to trade below that previous low right here. Okay, there's a lot of stop orders below this low, so we may see the market coming down here to take out those market participants, and that's what's gonna push it back to the upside. Okay, and we can then expect that move up. So if you want to trade Bitcoin, if you're actively trading Bitcoin, what I would suggest is maybe drop down to the hourly chart. If you want to go to a lower time frame, you can do that as well. And then as soon as you see some type of rejection, just like this one right here, you can then look for selling opportunities. All right, so say for example right now you could start looking for to sell right here, maybe expect that price will come down here, test those previous lows. If you see that there's a lot of momentum in price, then you can expect that it will come and test that previous low. So you could have your first target here, second target here. All right, but what you've got to understand is that if you're going to be taking short trades in this type of market right here, that's fine, because we are in a downtrend. But when you look at the hourly chart, we've got this uptrend, so that means taking those sell positions is kind of a counter trend setups that you're going to be looking at, all right, which carries more risk. So to be able to trade against the trend, you've got to be more advanced, because what you need to see is you've got to be able to spot those signals from price action. Also, you're going to have to use very tight and limited stop losses, and at the same time you're going to have to observe price action, because if it is pushing down in your favor but then you see that it's kind of slowing down, maybe leaves some rejection wicks to the downside, just like this one here, just like those multiple wicks here, then that means you're going to have to close your trade, because you could expect that the market will go back to the upside. All right, so it basically takes more time to manage the position and more skills as well, more knowledge in trading. So if you are feeling confident, then what you can do is you can start looking to to sell, take this level as your first take profit, this previous high as your second take profit. And if you do see some rejection down here, you see, for example, that price action, maybe breaks below this low, but then immediately goes back to the upside, then you can start looking to buy from those levels and expect that the market will actually go up to around 27-28k. All right, so that's pretty much what my plan is. I personally do not trade crypto on leverage, so I'm not going to be taking any of those positions, but still a lot of people are asking me about Bitcoin, and so that's why we're doing those analysis. I know that they help a lot of people. So if you guys like this setup, let me know in the comment section down below. Also share with us some of your trades if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the links in the description below this one, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.